Okay, today everybody, we're going to have a little bit of fun with a for loop, and it's going to be called Numbers Exit. This program is, so we're going to use the for loop, and when we reach a certain number we are going to exit the loop. So first of all, I'm going to import the time module. You will see why as I go down this program. Okay, so I'm going to say numbers. Numbers here. I'm going to create a little bit of a list here. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's my list. Okay, so I'm going to create the function now. The functions are going to be called numbers exit. So when we reach a certain number, we're going to exit the loop. Okay, so numbers exit. So for number in numbers, print the number. So we're going to print out the numbers. Okay, and here comes the conditional. If number is equal to 7, so look, number is equal to 7, we've got to do something. And what we're going to do, we're going to print a message to the user so the user knows what's going on in the program. Let's say number 7 has been reached. Okay, so we've reached number 7 now. And another short message, so print will, let's have a look, so print will exit loop now, and I'm just going to put that, a new line there. Okay, and now I'm going to send it to another function. So I'm going to create another function in a minute called end of loop message. So the message that the user gets when it exits the loop. Okay, so I'm going to create that function now called define end of loop message. Find the end of loop message. Okay, and we're going to hit print waiting. So I'm going to give it a little bit of a pause here, so that's why we use the time module. That's why up here we've imported the time module. Okay, so print another message to the user. You are here because you are here because, and then I'm going to do a new line there, you are here because, and then I'm going to use the time.sleep here, so time.sleep, and I'm going to give it a little pause of 1 second. Okay, so the program looks like it's doing something in the background, and then we're going to print another message. Print you reached number 7. You reach number 7, and then I'm going to type in end program. So this is another function that we're going to create just under here. So here we go, define end program. Okay, so this is another function. So again, we're going to use the time here, time.sleep, to add a bit of a pause onto this. 1 second again. You know, you could specify up to 100 seconds or 1,000 seconds if you wanted. You know what I mean? The sky's the limit here. But I'm just going to do 1 second in this because we'll be waiting all day otherwise. Okay, print out the message to the user so they know what's happening in the program, and that's going to be you reached. Let's have a look. Sorry, not you reached. It's going to be end of program. Okay, one last one. Print shutting down, and then we're just going to use this command, the quit program command. Okay, right, so we've got all that together. I'm just going to save it there. What we're going to have to do, we're going to have to call the program. So I'm going to call it by using this one here called numbers exit. So we can start off the program. So that's going to be numbers exit. So this will call it, it will start off the program. Let me just click that down onto the next line so it looks a lot neater. So I'll just save that. Okay, so we're going to run the program now. So here we go. Well, hey, let's have a look at that. So it's gone through all of that. It says waiting. You are here because you reached number 7, end of program, shutting down. Your program is still running. Do you want to kill it? Do you want to shut it down? Of course I want to shut it down because I've reached number 7. Okay, there we go. And Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. And remember, if you found these videos helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. It will help me out enormously. And I will catch you in another video.